Hello friends, welcome to fourth video in the PPEP series. In this video, we will discuss about FMEA, that is failure mode effect analysis. FMEA is a step-by-step approach for identifying all possible failures in a design, a manufacturing or assembly process, or a product or service. As FMEA is a failure mode effect analysis. So failure mode is the ways or modes in which something might fail. Effect analysis is studying the consequences of those failures. When the FMEA is done for process, it is called process failure mode effect analysis or PFMEA. When the FMEA is done for design, it is called design failure mode effect analysis or DFMEA. Let's discuss the history of FMEA. FMEA came into existence in 1949 when US military uses the FMEA for their operations. In 1960, NASA adopted the FMEA for their missions. Around 1970, auto industry started using FMEA. In 1982, AIG published first FMEA manual for auto industry. And recently in 2019, FMEA manual is commonly published by VDA and AIG. As we discussed, FMEA is a tool for risk identification and risk mitigation. For risk identification, a risk priority number RPN is calculated or action priority is identified. So FMEA helps to quantify the risk. Through risk priority number or action priority, the risk is quantified. Risk mitigation is done by taking action to reduce the risk. RPN or action priority is calculated using the three quantifiable parameters: severity, occurrence, and detection. Severity quantifies the effect of failure on the scale from 1 to 10. 1 is the least severity and 10 is the highest severity. Occurrence quantifies how many times failure has occurred in past. So it is based on the past data. Occurrence 10 means failure is almost inevitable. It means continuous failures are happening. Occurrence 1 means no chance of failure at all. Detection quantifies the capability to detect the occurrence of failure. Detection 10 means detection is almost impossible. It means you can't detect the occurrence of failure. Detection 1 means detection is almost certain. You can easily detect the occurrence of failure. RPN is calculated by multiplying the severity, occurrence and detection rating. Higher the RPN, higher the risk. In the case of RPN calculation, a threshold value of RPN is determined for identifying the action priorities. As per new AIG VDA FMEA manual, RPN is replaced by the action priority. As per new manual, prioritization is now based on table that is provided in the manual. This table considers severity, occurrence, detection holistically rather than a single numeric value. If the action priority is high, then it is mandatory to take action. If the action priority is medium, then one should take actions. If the action priority is low, then one could take action. Now how to decide action priority? It's very simple. Let's take the case of severity 9 and 10. If your severity is 9 or 10 and your occurrence is 8 or 10, for any value of detection, your action priority is high. Similar is the case of occurrence value 6 to 7. But when it comes to severity 9 and 10, occurrence 4 or 5 and detection 1, then action priority is medium. And for the severity 9 and 10, occurrence 2 to 3 and detection 1 to 4, action priority is low. So based on different combination of severity, occurrence and detections, action priority is decided based on this table. Thank you very much. This is just a start of FMEA. This is an introduction of FMEA. In the next videos, we will discuss more in details about severity, occurrence, detections, a practical example of FMEA. Please be in touch. Please subscribe my channel. Please follow me on LinkedIn for such type of video. Thank you very much.